Well, we begin with the work stoppage that has trash piling up in neighborhoods all across the Bay Area. Communities from the East Bay to the South Bay, all along the peninsula, all trying to figure out what to do with all of their garbage. Some cities are now even setting up drop-off stations so people are not forced to let the garbage pile up at the curb. Our Len Ramirez joins us live from Fremont. And Len, I know it's a bit hot out there today, so we know that trash has been baking in that sun.
Yeah, that's right. A lot of people are afraid of the warmer weather that's coming upon us right now and what that's going to do to the smell around here. Most neighborhoods here in the city of Fremont have already missed at least one trash pickup, and some neighborhoods are getting close to missing their second trash pickup. And as you can see, the trash is starting to pile up. Nancy Adams says the garbage strike is starting to make her worry.
This is garbage, very full. Recycle is full. And then, of course, garden is very full. They were supposed to be picked up yesterday.
But of course they weren't, along with all the other trash bins in her neighborhood, some of which are starting to be piled high with garbage. Nancy says it could be a big problem very quickly, and with the summer heat, even worse.
My house backs up to a field, so there are rats, skunks, raccoons, possums, who all love to dig in our garbage, especially if you don't have your lids closed completely. They can get in there and cause quite a mess, and then of course it also brings around the roaches. And we certainly don't want to have issues with that. So that's my main concern, is the health portion of it, and hoping that they can get it resolved so we don't have those issues arise.
The Teamsters Union says about 600 members who work for Republic Services walked off the job in solidarity with striking workers in Stockton. The extended work stoppage means there's no trash pickup in parts of San Jose, Daly City, Half Moon Bay, Richmond, San Pablo, Union City, Newark, and Fremont until the strike in Stockton is over. The union says the original strike involved only 40 workers who were seeking better wages and working conditions, but other locals would not cross their picket line.
If you pick a fight with 40 Teamsters in Stockton, you're picking a fight with 1.3 million Teamsters throughout the United States and Canada. And Republic Services knew that going into this, and our members understand that.
Republic Services blamed the union for the work stoppage, saying, quote, "We apologize for this inconvenience and appreciate the community's patience during the union's work stoppage. We will continue to prioritize the service of essential businesses, including hospitals, nursing homes, and apartment complexes." Alternate trash drop-off sites are starting to pop up. Fremont residents can drop off their garbage for free at the recycling and transfer station on Boyce Road. And Union City has opened a free collection site in the BART parking lot at 11th and Dakota. Our chopper spotted neighbors taking out the trash to one of those dumpsters. As for Nancy Adams, she says she's pro-union and sympathetic to the workers, but wonders why the issue had to drag all the way out here.
To me, it's not affecting you here with your job. I know you're supporting your fellow union members, but I can see a one-day, work stoppage, that type of thing, to support them. But if you're not having the issue here, you're causing great issues for us.
Now, Fremont and Newark both have those stations where people can drop off their trash, but a lot of residents are not going to be able to get out there and drop the trash off themselves. They will simply come out to the curb and start piling them up. If it goes on for a week or more, it could be a bigger problem around here. Ryan, both the union and Republic Services say that they want to get back to the bargaining table, and at this time, there are no new talks scheduled.